My name's James Zemke.
And I'm Don Knapp. We're with Closet Factory Baltimore.
We're the custom storage solution authority, and we can design and create a storage solution for any room in your house. And most importantly, we cater to our clients and we design it around you.
We design for basically any space in your home. Closets, garages, home offices, wall units, wall beds, pantries, craft rooms, laundry rooms, mud rooms, and even wine rooms. Our clients are reaching out to us because their home has become overwhelmingly unorganized and they need assistance in fixing that issue and solving those problems.
I think your basic storage solutions are pretty vanilla. So we can provide a solution that will really declutter, organize, and allow them to maximize their space and functionality.
So give us a call and let us schedule your consultation today.